Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this lesson, we explore word stress in three-syllable English words. Word stress is the emphasis or force we put on certain syllables when we speak. Understanding stress patterns helps you sound more natural and fluent in English. We will focus on a key example, photograph. Let's begin our journey to master the rhythm of English. Three-syllable words in English follow three main stress patterns. First, stress on the first syllable. Second, stress on the second syllable. Third, stress on the third syllable. Each pattern has different rules and examples. By learning these three patterns, you can predict how to pronounce almost any three-syllable word. Let's explore each pattern in detail. Many nouns and common words follow the first syllable stress pattern. The first syllable gets the emphasis. For example, photograph, phoTOGRAPH. The stress falls on pho. Other examples include present, present, and family, family. Business, busns, college, college, and student, student all follow this pattern. When you see a noun with three syllables, try stressing the first syllable. Many verbs and words from Latin origins follow the second syllable stress pattern. The second syllable receives the emphasis. The famous example is photograph, used as a verb, phoTOGRAPH. Other examples include telephone, telepiachoni, hospital, hospital, and vegetarian, vegetarian. Progressive, progressive, and biological, biological also follow this pattern. Notice how the stress changes the word's meaning and pronunciation. The third syllable stress pattern is less common but important to recognize. The third syllable gets the emphasis. Words often have a suffix like "ike" or "aya" at the end. For example, photographic, phoTOGRAPHic. Other examples include microscopic, microscopic, geographic, geographic, dramatic, droematic, bacteria, bacteria, and fantastic, fantastic. These words are typically adjectives or nouns derived from base words. Here is a quick summary of the rules. First syllable stress typically applies to nouns and many compound words. Examples include photograph and family. Second syllable stress, common in verbs and words with Latin roots. Examples include telephone and hospital. Remember, English has many exceptions, but these patterns cover the majority of three-syllable words. The best way to learn is to listen carefully to native speakers and practice pronouncing the words yourself. Now let's practice with three common words: university, television, and organization. Say each word out loud and identify which syllable is stressed. University has stress on the third syllable, university. Television has stress on the first syllable, television. Organization has stress on the third syllable, organization. Practice these words repeatedly. Speaking aloud helps you internalize the stress patterns and develop better pronunciation habits. Congratulations, you now understand the three core stress patterns in English. First syllable stress for many nouns, second syllable stress for many verbs, and third syllable stress for derived adjectives. Remember the photograph example and how stress can change. Keep practicing with new words. Listen to English speakers, record yourself, and compare. Consistent practice makes perfect rhythm in English. Thank you for learning with English Learning from Scratch. Keep improving your English every day.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.